Well, we're gonna put in some top rail today. Getting after it this morning. Jacob's ready. Jacob's over there. Tucker's putting the soda strip in. We got our post measured out. About to put a string line up. Old Jacob's about to pound them.
Yep.
We put the soda strips in to stretch the wire front behind them. David's got a good stance going here. Well, we got a string line up. Everything ready to go. I don't know why Jacob's face looks like that. Anyways, but all right, so I didn't want to send everybody nothing while they pounded, so I set up another string line for our next part. We went to the outside on this one, so the pole would be flush with the outside. We're gonna drive some poles down this line right here. Tucker's cutting the collars off our pipe. Oh, he's gonna saddle two for them pieces, but we're gonna cut all these collars off on both sides so they don't look like shit. But anyways, just still getting after it. Anyways, we started pounding pretty early this morning. I don't know what time it is, but we got this up. We're gonna do that. Well, we got all our posts in. All our templates drawn up. They're cutting that down there. We're cutting this here. Jacob takes like 3 days to cut them, but it looks like shit, Jacob.
I know.
Anyways, he's also sponsored by Hobart. So these templates don't fit that great. So we usually take a cone grinder real quick and grind them up. Give them to fit pretty good that way. Works good. We have one guy cut, one guy grind. Same deal down there. One guy cut, one guy grind. Jacob's over there taking forever still. We usually have a shit ton of fires too.
Got two right now.
I got you.